Yo, what's going on? It's King Nasty Boy here. I am going to show you guys the power of trend trading. Looking for the trend and only being involved when the market is trending. This can make a huge impact on your trading. Let's get into it. We're going to do a couple different trades. We're going to look for the right market context. That is what's super important, and it's just absolutely crucial when we are trading. I have a group. It's called Trending Traders. That's what we do. We look for trends and we trade them. Okay, so we're gonna start off here. We're gonna. You might not be able to see it, but I'm gonna do a random bar here, right? We're on the 15-second chart. Okay. Wow. Very nice. So we have a nice big push up. We look over here. This is the beginning of the Asia session, right? So let's see what we can. Ideally, we want to keep following this thing long, right? Because that's where the strength is showing me. But let's see if we can get some nice opportunities here. Typically, I would be trading the New York session, not so much the Asia session or London session, because I'm at PST time. I do use this indicator. It's a paid indicator. It's called, what the hell is this thing called? The Quant Suite. I pay monthly for it. And basically what it does, it's kind of, it's like an EMA that starts glowing either blue or red depending on the type of market that we're in, or a trending market that we're in. And this is what I do. I just look for trends. So let's see if we can catch some nice moves here. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a build up. Nice little push down on that candle. So we're going to leave that for now. Yeah, we've gone below the EMA. See, we're still kind of in what I call a stage one, right? So the market moves in stages. It moves in stage one and stage two. I'll show you. Here is stage one, right? And then we have stage two, stage one. So ideally, what we're going to see is some type of stage two come out of this, or it's going to fail, okay? Let's take a look and see what we can get. Right. Okay, we're getting a little bit of a push down. Right, so I might start thinking, okay, after this push, maybe it's not ready to continue. Maybe this is the end of the move. Let's take a look at like an hourly time frame, see where we're at. Kind of more of a bearish market. Overall, we did have this nice push up. Yeah, I think bullishness actually looks good. So let's see if we can try and find some nice bullish moves here. Okay, we're chopping around. I don't actually. Okay, we might try. We might try and take a little short here. Right. We're gonna do about 80 ticks for our short, and we're gonna look for a 2RR. Okay, let's get in the sell. Stop us here. Boom. Okay, let's see how this one goes. Now, my opinion is kind of more so on the bullish side based on higher time frames, but we are below and we're kind of going a little bit sideways here. So this is kind of what I look for. This is kind of the beginning of what would be more of a trending market. Nice push down, sideways, and it's probably going to continue on to the downside here. So let's see. Yep. Okay, we move our stop loss to break even. Boom. There we go. Now remember, I did a random bar on this. This is not something pre-planned. I don't know what date this is. Okay, this is April 25th. So we have a 2RR right there. I'm going to bring this over and I'm going to put this into my journal. You guys should be journaling every day, or every trade, I should say. Right, so right now we're up 2RR. Okay, let's see if this if we can keep going here. Right, another push down, push up. Still going sideways. I would have maybe liked to have taken an entry around here. See if we can go up. See if you can give me some sideways. Okay, let's give this a shot. 80 ticks, another 2 stop loss here. Okay, let's see if we can get another 2 RR right off the bat. Oh no. Okay, we are down. We got -1. No problem. 86 MNQ. Boom. Okay, so now we're at 1 RR for the day so far. Right, we got price moving back to the top side. I like to let the trend actually develop and show me some strength. Right now, this is not enough strength. This could easily just start going back to the downs to the downside again. Take a look. Yep. Okay, that I like that. I like that. We got a nice push. We're gonna enter into a trade here. We're just gonna do this. 80 tick stop loss. We're gonna sell this. Right, nice push down, a little bit of a retracement. We're going back. We have the volume showing us here that, you know, the momentum is more to the downside. Let's see if we can. Okay, nice push. We're gonna go break even. Yep, there we go. All right, and Q, 86, 2. We're gonna save this in our journal. Boom, boom. Okay, so we're 3 trades in so far. Right, we have this nice moving market. It's showing us some nice momentum to the downside right now. I originally thought, okay, I want to see some more price actually move to the top side, but I don't try and call the market. I just try and trade what's in front of me. Maybe we can get another setup. Yeah, that was good, actually. Yeah, we're gonna just let this play out a bit more, I think. Okay, I'm gonna take a short here. Let's see. Get in here. Yeah, let's see how this plays out. Should have just been a little bit more patient on that one. It's okay. Right, -180. So we're at about 50% win rate right now. Right, but we are up. So we're up 2R right now. We'll do about 10 trades here. That's what we'll do. We'll do 10 trades, and then we'll see how what my stats are looking like at the end here. See a lot of these kind of more midline. These midline ones are a little bit better than these ones at the bottom. So we're gonna see if we can get this thing moving bearish again, and then see if we can find a new entry. Again, I'm not convinced on the the bullish side quite yet. That's some nice momentum that just came into the market. Right? That looks good. I'm going to start following this thing bullish now. We have a lot of volume coming in. You know, we've kind of broken through this high here, right? After a nice little reaccumulation. Our overall direction is bullish, right? So realistically, what this thing probably wants to do is, is kind of make a move. It's a bit aggressive, but you know, it wants to whatever, make a move to this top side and break that high there. Okay, so let's see if we can follow that. Look at that short right at the very bottom. That's hilarious. Get a bit of a retracement. Right. See how my indicator has gone flat? There's no color. That means that there's nothing to do. Well, maybe it's not ready to go to the top side. I'm not really convinced. I'm going to have to see some momentum one way or another. Yeah, I need to see some momentum in this market. That looks good. That's a nice little move. Let's see if we can get a nice trend out of it. Take its time. I want to see something more solid, right? We're kind of ranging. We're in a stage 1 here. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to take a little bit of a long here. I'm going to do a bit of a smaller stop loss on this one, I think. Let's see. Maybe do 30 ticks. We're looking for +2. Okay, let's see what we get here. Yep. There we go. Got another +2 there. Put that in our journal. And we look for the next opportunity. We push down. I want to see this start holding. Give me some more reason to go along with it. What do you guys think? Should I try along here? Okay, let's wait. I'm unsure. Yeah, we're gonna try a little along here. You know what? Actually, after this kind of push, I'm unsure. So when I'm unsure, I wait. That never hurts. Yeah. That would have been an instant loss. That would have been an instant loss. So whenever you're unsure, just wait. That's all you do. It's got some crazy reactions right now. Let's see. Now, some of you might be wondering why I'm not actually changing my contract sizes, because I actually don't care about the P&L. Here, I have a journal that I'm putting everything in, and that P&L is what I trust, because it's actually predetermined and set up for the amount of accounts I have, etc. So that's going to give me a more accurate representation. So we're kind of moving down to the downside again here, right? We got some nice momentum pushing us down, right? This is bright red. Let's see if we can actually take a position here, maybe. This is a bit low. Let's see. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna go in. We're gonna do 40 ticks +2. We're gonna sell it. stop loss. Take B, profit. Okay. Oops. Let's see here. Yep. Oh, don't do that. Come on. Give me a break to the bottom side. Oh, I should have gone BE there after this big push. That's okay. We're going to put this in as a loss. I'm clicking too fast, so we got +2, -1, +2, -1, +2, -1. We are 50% today in this market right now. We have 2, 4, 6. We have 6 trades. We're going to go 10 trades, and we're going to see if this is a profitable system. Right, we're back to the top side. Okay, we're going to take a long here. That's a short. We're going to take a long here. What the fuck? We're going to take a long here. There we go. I have a feeling that this probably wants to go. I'm not going to enter this yet. This might go, but I think that it's better to... Yeah, I should have entered that one. Yeah, I should have gone in on that one. It's okay. We're gonna go in for a long here. 52 ticks. Where's my 2? Take profit, stop loss, in. Okay, we have a nice sideways move. Let's see if we can get a nice push to the top side. No. We're going into chop. We're going into chop. We're still in this trade. It's really choppy though. I don't like it. We're gonna see how it plays out. Gots to see it through, my boy. Okay, we're going BE. It did make that move. We might be getting a BE here though. There we go. TP. Well, not the cleanest move, not really something I enjoy being in. But that's okay. It's not always going to be perfect. Right? We had the nice push up, move sideways, right? So we have stage 1, stage 2. We want to catch that stage 2 coming out of that stage 1. Remember, what we're thinking is that price wants to come here and break through this top, right? So we're going to put this in our two. Did I do? I do 52 there. Okay. Let's maybe draw this out. Okay, let's see what price wants to do next. Ah, look at that TP. Very nice. Price probably wants to push down here. A little bit more. Oh, we're going back up. We're going to the top side. We're super choppy right now. Super volatile. Not really a market that we want to trade. Again, very volatile. I'm not looking to trade this market. It looks like this was probably the open of the London session. I believe it is actually. Yeah, it is. So we got some volume here. Let's see if we can get a nice trend happening here in the London session. Oh, I kind of like this. Okay, we're gonna take a position here. Okay, it's a bit of a bigger trade here. Let's see if this will actually play out the way I think it will. Give me a push up and I'll go BE. Okay, I get that push up. We are going to take a B. We're going to move to BE here. And let's see if we can get this momentum pushed through the top side. Let's take a look. Yep, boom. There we go. That was that move, right? I think that that's probably a pretty good place to end, right? We got 1, we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 9, 8, 7. We're going to put this in our journal. +2. That was an 80 tick stop loss. MNQ. And I'm going to turn off all my other trades so that we can take a look at the stats at the end of this. Let's get this here. Boom. Okay, so 8 trades. We had 4 winners, 3 losses. Entry time frame. Entry time frame is not 1 hour. Where is that? We're gonna go 15 seconds. Okay, we have 4.7 R secured. Our win rate was 57 and our loss was 42.9. We were risking 0.40 per trade. $250,000 account. We made $4,700 and we made that. If we go from my very first trade to here, that looks like 8 hours. That was 8 hours of trading there, right? But that's how I do it, man. I just look for trends, right? And I try and stay out of the chop going sideways. I look for the trends. I look for the overall direction, and we try and get involved. And I look for 1 to 2 RR. But yeah, again, King Nasty Boy here, Trending Traders. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.